Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I am reviewing Tati's new Blendiful applicator. This is brand new, I haven't opened it yet, so let's get right into it. Now I've already prepped my face. I will be applying my foundation, basically everything using this applicator. So let's go ahead and open this package. This comes in this black package like so, and this is the actual packaging for the product. So it says Blendiful, and then on the back it says no harsh lines, XO Tati. Really excited to try this. In all honesty, when she first made the video for this, I was kind of disappointed when she said it's a revolutionary product. I just didn't think that it would be like a powder puff type of applicator. But it comes with two applicators. This is a bigger one to kind of apply your foundation. I guess you can use powders with this. You can apply any kind of cream products. And then it comes with this little cute heart-shaped applicator. And this one is really cool to put in your bag, to kind of for touch-ups throughout the day. But yeah, it feels really nice. It feels really soft as well. I'm really interested to see how this applies the foundation. I'm going to be using two different foundations today, just mixing them up together. I'm going to use Dior Forever foundation. I use color 25, and also the Guerlain Le'ssential foundation that I have been loving. I seriously use this every single day. I just love that it has SPF in there. So I'm just going to apply one pump of this. Apply this one. This one's just a little bit darker and it's a little bit matte too, so applying both kind of gives you that glow finish. So I guess I'm just gonna dot this product on just like how I normally do. And then I'll use the applicator to kind of apply more as I need it. This is really soft, so you can kind of bend it exactly the way you want. So I think I'm just going to use one side to apply this. This is so interesting. I'm so used to using a beauty blender. I don't know if we do this. All right, so you definitely need to be dragging your foundation to begin with, and then you can kind of push it in. Interesting. It's definitely blending in that foundation. I have a little blemish here, so I'm just gonna add just a little bit more. I'm just patting this into the product. Ooh, covers it right up. You know what, I feel that you get more control using this than a beauty blender. So that's a foundation. Now I'm going to go into concealer. Today I'm using Dior's Skin Correct Concealer in 2N. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a different side to blend in that concealer. Usually I use my fingers to kind of blend in my concealer, and then I use a beauty blender. You can really get in there. Okay, so I'm really liking this so far. Isn't it amazing how makeup makes you feel so much fresher? It's like life gets to you, put on makeup, and it's as if life didn't even happen. So there's the foundation and the concealer. Literally a flawless application. And you can go back right into it, any areas that you need some more. We're gonna continue going with cream products, so let's go ahead and use my Charlotte Tilbury Contour One to bronze up. Okay, so with this bronzer, I do feel that I do want a brush more so than this, but to apply the foundation and the concealer, definitely a flawless finish. I love it for that purpose. But to apply the bronzer, I don't know. I feel that a brush would make it look a lot better. I still feel that it's not blended as well as I want it to be, so I will definitely be using my brush for that purpose, at least. Okay, so let's try it with some powder products. So I'm gonna powder underneath my eyes and kind of a little bit around my face. So we're gonna use the Huda Beauty setting powder. I feel that this creation was initially created for powder products anyway, but let's just apply a little bit of that. So just get a little bit of the powder. So there we go. So we have foundation, concealer, bronzer, and a little bit of setting powder. Looks really flawless, really nice. So I guess this isn't going to replace your brushes. It definitely is beautiful to apply foundation and concealer on. It applies it on very fast, so I definitely love it for that. For bronzer though, I feel that I will still be using my brushes. To apply powder, it's pretty nice, but I still like to grab like a big brush and kind of powder my entire face. But yeah, it's very effective. But let me go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back to give you guys my final thoughts. I just finished filming a video reviewing Dior's new makeup collection, and I just thought I would come back and let you guys know my thoughts about this new Tati product. I think I really like it. I mean, I think my foundation has been on very nicely. It's been blended very well, and underneath my eyes, that's really important to me. I love a flawless concealer application. And yeah, I don't see any kind of splotchiness, or everything is just really nicely seamed in and blended together. And I love that you can reuse this to kind of just blend everything back in, because during the day, you know, your foundation and your concealer does tend to move. So this small tiny one will definitely come in handy. I will be putting this in my bag. And just even when I have a long day at work, I usually do a lot of 12-hour shifts being a pharmacist. So I will definitely be pulling this out just to kind of blend everything back in, especially my concealer. And yeah, I really love it. I think they're really cute as well. I love that this comes as a heart shape. And I know a lot of people out there are probably thinking this is very much similar to those kind of applicators, or I should say little puffs that you use to remove your makeup at the end of the day. It honestly doesn't even feel that way at all. I do have those. I own a couple of them, but this one is so much softer. The bristles of it, the material of it is very different. So it's not like that at all. So if you're thinking of using those kind of puffers to apply your makeup, it's not going to work. Those ones are just so much more harsher, and they're that way because it's used to kind of remove your makeup. This one's very soft. It blends in very well. There is product on the actual applicator itself, but not too much to be bothersome at all. And like Tati said, just throw this in the washing machine and you can reuse it. So I definitely will let you guys know what I think about this. I will be using it in my next videos as well, but I will continue to let you know what I think about it and if I like it. But as a first impression, I think it's really nice. I mean, for $18 you get 2 applicators. It's cheaper than the Beauty Blender, and you can use it for multiple different things. You don't have to use water with it, which I love. I think it's definitely a competitor to the Beauty Blender for sure. I didn't have high hopes for this. I have to admit, I love Tati. She's someone that I look up to on YouTube, but I didn't have high hopes for this product at all. But now when I actually used it, definitely a thumbs up. I love this applicator. I think I will be enjoying using it moving forward. Definitely highly recommend it to you guys. Just give it a go and try it. I think it's really beautiful. I love that you can continue using it. Even with the powder that I applied on when I use this, usually when I use my Beauty Blender, once I powdered, I can't touch my Beauty Blender onto my face at all because it's wet. But with this one, you can kind of pat everything right back in, and it looks nice and fresh, just like you first applied it to begin with. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini review of Tati's new Blendiful applicator. I definitely highly recommend it. I hope you guys will give it a go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much. I will see you in my next video.